They mounted up to heaven, they sank to the depths. Their hearts melted away in their plight. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. They cried to the Lord in their distress. From their straits He rescued them. He hushed the storm to a gentle breeze, and the bellows of the sea were still. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. They rejoiced that they were gone, and He brought them to their desired heaven. Let them give thanks to the Lord for His kindness and His wondrous deeds to the children of